Consider this. Work out 7/9 minus 2/5. We'll continue with this on the next slide. The 9 and the 5 are the denominator of their respective fraction. To proceed, we need to create a common denominator by looking for the lowest common multiple of 9 and 5. Now, 9 times 5 equals 45, and in the case of these two numbers, this is the lowest common multiple. I will now write out the subtraction. Below the subtraction, I will write down the common denominator just under the long bar. How many times does this 9 divide into 45? And the answer is 5 times. So you write 5 here, and then you multiply it by the numerator, which is 7. So you put 7 here, and then you put this in brackets to make it clear that the multiplication is to take place. The subtraction symbol is brought down to here. How many times does 5 go into 45? The answer is 9 times. So we write 9 here, and then we multiply that by the numerator, which is 2. So you can see I put the 2 here, and then I enclose this in brackets to make sure we can see that we're carrying out a multiplication. We can then see that 5 times 7 is 35, minus 9 times 2 is 18, and all this is divided by 45. And 35 minus 18 is 17, so we get equals 17 over 45. So 7/9 minus 2/5 equals 17 over 45. We cannot cancel down the 17 over 45, so 17 over 45 is the final answer.